Let's make a rainbow. How do we do that? Let's go. I need some squares, so I'll just draw a small square here. And it seems to not have a color. I'll just flip this one to a color in my fill. Then I need to replicate this. I'll just drag it down with my Option key down, and then I'll do a Command or Control D to repeat that a couple of times. Then I can drag a color from here. It's just a fast way to put some colors into this one. And now I have my rainbow line here, so I like to bend it. I would like this to act as one, because if it doesn't act as one, it will be individual objects, and we want it to team up. So how do we make it to team up? We go into Object and we group it. When you do this, we can do the FX and the warp effect here, where we'll do the arch. So we can basically make a bend. And we can also twist it a little bit, so it's more wild or whatever we would like to do. So this is one option for a rainbow. Another option could be, I'll just copy this one and I'll remove the arch. And then instead of doing it like this, I will take this as a pattern brush. Let's go for this. Say we want a pattern brush. Say OK. OK to this. And then if I draw something, put my pattern brush in, I'll just delete my fill. Then it looks like this. Basically the same. But it can be harder to twist. If I want to do something, it's kind of, now it acts like this. Whereabouts my bend up here is basically just controlled by that I can always kind of twist it in a new direction. But there's a little trick. This pattern brush now identifies itself as one, like a group. That means it now identifies itself not as 5 boxes, but as one stroke. Let's take the width tool now on this stroke. And on this stroke, we can twist the width, of course, because it now identifies itself as a stroke. So this is another way of mixing up stuff and utilizing the abilities. So remember this, either you can use the warp tool or you can use it as a pattern brush, and then remember the width tool will give you more opportunities.